the oil is hot, so we're gonna put the garlic and the pepper. Next is onions. I'm gonna put salt. And the first vegetable that we're gonna put is a squash, because they are the hard kind of vegetables. They need more time to cook. Along with that, I'm gonna put soy sauce. Just a little bit of fish sauce. And paprika. Give them a mix. And now we're gonna add in a little bit of water. Now we're gonna put the bitter gourd. Give them a mix. And just cover it for 2 minutes. Now let's check. And we put the okra, my favorite vegetables. Chili flakes. Give them a mix. And we're gonna put the eggplant and the string beans. And bagoong, the shrimp paste. And we're going to give them a mix. Yum yum. Check again. And we're starting to put our spring onion and tofu. So this is my ultimate pinakbet, the vegetable recipe in the Philippines. So for all vegetarian out there, this is additional recipe for your everyday cooking. This is a popular vegetable recipe in the Philippines. We call it pinakbet. You cook it in a stew, shrimp paste. Yum, look at that. Yum. So, to all my friends out there, who subscribe to my channel, and all vegetarian people, this is a good recipe for you. You can also choose not to use the shrimp paste and stir fry all those vegetables and tofu together without the shrimp paste. That's an optional, guys, for all the vegetarian people. But because this is a popular recipe in my country, the name is PINAKBET, so we traditionally cook this one in a shrimp paste. Yum, guys. Look at that. Yum, yeah.